Hello and welcome to my flipped classroom lesson. Today, as we continue on our unit of interviewing skills, I'd like to introduce to you a short video clip from a movie that I really like. It's called The Pursuit of Happiness. And in this movie, the main character, Chris Gardner, goes on a very important interview for an internship. And as you recall, an internship is a sometimes paid, sometimes unpaid position where you work for an employer for a short time. It could be weeks or it could be just a few months. And Chris really wants to get this internship because it could lead to a very important job that he really needs to have and wants, a job that he really, really wants. So let's talk about what are some qualities that an employer would be looking for when you come into an interview. And even at the interview, the employer would be able to see some of these qualities coming through as you meet with them and as you talk with them. In the movie that I'm going to show you, the video clip that I'm going to show you, the interview doesn't go quite as well as Chris would like it to. But although it doesn't go quite as planned, he's able to demonstrate some qualities that the employer is looking for. So let's speak a little bit about what those qualities might be. And as you watch the video, I'd like you to look for some of these qualities. One would be good communication skills. That would be verbally, that would be through email, that would be through phone call. We all want to have very effective, good communication skills, and that even ties into your body language. Also, employers are looking for honesty, and you'll see where this comes into play in the video. And employers want you to always be honest. If you run into some sort of problem, you need to talk to somebody about it and learn from your mistake and move on, and hopefully not make that mistake again. You want to have determination, and in this video, you're going to see that our character may or may not be determined. That would be something that you'll decide once you watch the video. But determination is a wonderful quality, and all employers would be looking for an employee with that type of quality. Along with these qualities, you would want to have good body language, and we've talked a great deal about body language. Your eye contact, walking in, having a firm handshake, along with a positive attitude. You want to display a positive attitude on the interview, and so also while you're working, you always want to have that positive attitude. When you go for your interview, you want to have proper dress code, and when depending on the type of position that you're going to apply for. So while you're watching the video, again, look for these things, see if our main character, Chris, displays any or all of these things, why or why not. As you watch the video, I want you to be thinking of these questions. Why is a positive attitude important during an interview? What kind of attitude did Chris Gardner display during his interview in the video? List 3 qualities. So I want you to think about the qualities that we just spoke about. List 3 qualities that Chris displays during the interview that employers are looking for. What type of body language does Chris display during his interview? Do you think the men at the table appreciated Chris's honesty? And you'll know what I mean when you watch the video. Based on what happened in the video, would you be willing to hire Chris? Why or why not? So as you are watching the video, I want you to answer those questions that I just read to you in your journal notebook. And then tomorrow I want you to bring your notebook to class and be prepared to discuss the answers in your core group. So here is the link to the video. Once you're ready and all set up, you can watch the video. It's about 5 minutes long. And then you will respond to the questions in your journal. So just a quick recap of what the assignment is. Watch the 5-minute video, thinking about the qualities an employer would be looking for. Also, you're going to be answering the questions that are on slide number 5. And you're going to write down what your thoughts are and in your journal, and bring them to class tomorrow, and we'll discuss them. So I'm really looking forward to your responses. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.